Have you ever felt like your mind is constantly racing, making it hard to slow down and find peace? What if you could gently quiet those thoughts and tap into a deep sense of calm, no matter what's going on around you? In this session, you'll be guided through a meditation designed to relax your mind and melt away mental tension, whether you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or just in need of a mental reset. This practice will help you reconnect with a peaceful, clear state of mind. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and let's begin. Now, begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Slowly inhaling and exhaling. With each breath, feel yourself arriving fully in the present moment, letting go of any tension or worry. This time is just for you. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any sensation, any tension that might be present, and simply acknowledge it. Then with your next exhale, imagine releasing any tightness, allowing that area to soften. Gently move your awareness down to your forehead. Are you holding tension there? Allow your forehead to relax, letting your eyebrows soften and your eyes become heavy. Bring your attention to your jaw. If it feels tense, unclench your teeth, letting your mouth hang softly. Now bring your focus to your neck and shoulders. With each breath, imagine them becoming lighter. If you feel any weight or stiffness, let it melt away on your exhale. Continue this gentle scan down your arms, your chest, your abdomen, releasing and softening as you go. Notice your hips, your legs, and finally your feet, allowing any tension there to flow out and away with each breath. As your body continues to relax, bring your awareness now to your mind. Thoughts may still be swirling, and that's perfectly okay. Imagine your mind as a clear blue sky. Any thoughts that come in are like clouds, simply floating by. Observe them without judgment. Notice them, then gently let them drift away, returning your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath. Each breath is an anchor, holding you in this moment of stillness. There's no need to engage with any thoughts right now. They can come and go like waves on the shore. You are simply the observer, watching the ebb and flow without attachment. Now, I invite you to imagine a peaceful place, a place where you feel safe, calm, and at ease. It could be a serene forest, a quiet beach, or a soft meadow under a clear sky. Wherever you choose, allow the image to form in your mind's eye. In this place, you are completely free. Free from stress, from worry, from any thoughts that weigh you down. As you breathe, feel the lightness in your mind. Every breath clears away all the clutter and noise. You are standing in this peaceful place, and with each inhale, the air fills your body with calm energy. With each exhale, you release anything that no longer serves you. Imagine the air cleansing your mind, leaving only stillness and clarity. Stay here for a few moments, allowing this feeling of peace to settle deeply within you. As we begin to bring this meditation to a close, take a few moments to appreciate the deep sense of calm and clarity you've cultivated. Your mind feels lighter, your body more at ease. Slowly start to deepen your breath, gently waking your body from this restful state. Wiggle your fingers and toes. If you're lying down, roll your shoulders and stretch your arms. When you're ready, open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace with you into the rest of your day. Remember, you can return to this feeling anytime you need it, simply by focusing on your breath and allowing your mind to rest. If you enjoyed this meditation and want to experience more moments of peace like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and explore our library of relaxing meditations. Share this practice with someone you care about and help spread calmness to others. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, be well and stay peaceful.